My video guide will provide you with the instructions to remove the pop-ups and the online scam coming from the site hereculic.com. hereculic.com. It's a website that displays pretty scary information mentioning that you need to protect your PC. It says, do you want to clean Windows after surfing the web? And it also may display some other frustrating alerts periodically, mentioning that your computer might be in danger, exposed to viruses or other threats. Now, the real purpose of these pop-ups is to force people into downloading and installing some fake system optimization tools or some other potentially unwanted software. It is called as potentially unwanted software because it is displayed through various illegal techniques, for instance, online scam, and sometimes these programs are bundled with some free applications. So people tend to download and install such software pretty unintentionally. The website hereculic.com is not really malicious. However, it is the part of such unfair promotion methods that try to scare people into downloading some software. The reason why these pop-ups come up on your screen is because you could have visited some other malicious site that could point you to this particular location. So we recommend you to first of all carefully check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you don't remember some program installed by you directly, then uninstall it. Also, consider checking the list of the browser extensions, because sometimes unwanted browser extensions may also point you to third-party resources like this. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions that you might find here. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called Anti-Ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.